So today we are going to focus more on the back pain. Back pain is very common problem. So today's yoga session we will try to keep it more focused on the back pain related yoga poses and then the breathing exercises. Right. So let's go ahead and get started in on our fours. So please come on your fours like this. Keep the hands under the shoulders. And then hips right on the knees, on the knees, still like this. We will start in the cat and cow position. So we'll inhale fully and then look up, lift your hips, kind of the tailbone is facing up, you're looking up. This is cow position, you're fully inhaled, looking up. There is kind of an arch in the spine, and then exhale. And then do opposite. So you are fully exhaled here, and then your torso is kind of lifting up from the middle. Chin is trying to go down as far as possible. Inhale again. Relax. Before we move on to the next one, let's stretch our wrists a bit. So you're still on your fours, but this time fingers are facing the knee. Fingers are facing the knee. So this to kind of feel the deep stretch on the wrist side. Right? So usually we keep on our fours like this, right? So we are going to do it like in the reverse way. Once you are here fully, try to bend a little bit backwards to feel the deep stretch in the wrists, and then come forward again. Knees remain there, hands remain there. You are kind of rocking in the front and the back to feel the stretch in the wrist region. Relax. Now please come on the mat, lie down on your back. We will do a lot of back exercises. I'll maybe face this way so you can see me clearly. Lift your right leg fully, hands on the sides, palms facing down, hands on the sides. Inhale, lift the right leg, exhale, and then take it to the opposite direction. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. You are looking in the opposite direction. You are looking on the right side, and then leg is almost touching the ground on the left side. Inhale again, come up. Bring the right leg down. Lift the left leg now. Stretch it here as much as you can. Exhale, take it to your right. And then look towards the left side. This is Markatasana. Inhale again. Lift the leg. Keep the leg stressed. Don't bend it. Keep the leg stressed fully. Keeping it down. Let's do this with the right leg again. Lift the right leg. Inhale fully here, and with exhale, take it to the left. Look towards right. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, bring it down. Let's do this with the left leg. Stretch it carefully. With exhale, take the left leg to your right and look towards left. Come up. We will do same Markatasana, but this time we will do it with the variation where hands are still here. You will fold the right leg. Please fold the right leg. Keep the left leg straight on the ground. Left hand goes on the right knee, and then you take it towards your left and look towards right. Feel the twist in the spine here. Stay here for a couple breaths. Inhale and come up. Let's do this with the other leg. Fold the left leg. Once the left leg is folded, keep the right hand on the left knee. With exhale, take it to the opposite direction. Left hand remains on the ground. Right hand remains on the knee of the folded left leg. And we are feeling the twist in the spine here. We are looking towards the left. Uncover this. Let's repeat the same one more time with both the legs, one leg at a time. Right leg folded. Left hand goes here. Exhale. Look on the opposite direction. Right hand is touching the ground all the time. You are looking towards right, but right leg is like folded and then completely on the left side. Just release it. Let's do this with the left leg. Left leg folded. Right hand on the left knee. Exhale and then take it to the opposite direction. Release it. Keep both the hands on the side. Both the legs are folded now. Please fold both the legs. Both the feet are touching the ground. Your heels are close to the hips as far as they can come. And this time, both the legs take it to the left side and look towards right. This is also Markatasana. When you are looking towards right, see if your right ear can touch the ground. So you are fully twisted. Both palms are facing down, touching the ground. Inhale, lift, take it to the opposite direction. Inhale, bring it up. Let's repeat this one more time on both the sides. When you take it to one side, please hold there for 3 breaths. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go to the opposite direction. Inhale, bring it back. Both legs are still folded, but this time you are keeping the gap in the legs. So keep some gap in both the foot and then take them to one direction, towards the left. So when you are here, your right knee is kind of on the toes of the left
leg. Inhale, come up, opposite direction. This is also like another variation of Markatasana, same as the previous one, but this time we have gap between our legs. You feel the stretch on the thighs when you do this, including the spine. This is minor spinal twist, and then minor stretch on the thighs. Do it a couple of times. Relax. Spread your legs. With inhale, try to lift the one leg, but you lift it only up to like 30 to 45 degree angle, not too much. Inhale, lift one leg, only the right leg. Keep the leg like fully stretched like this. Feel the stretch on the back side of the leg. Hold it here for 4 or 5 breaths. Keep your belly tucked in. Exhale and leave it here. Let's lift the left leg now. When left leg is lifted, it's fully stretched and you're feeling a lot of stretch on the back side of the leg. Let it hang heavy when it's fully stretched. Bring it down. Let's repeat with the other leg. Right leg lifted, fully stretched. Bring it down. This is to loosen our tailbone. In addition to feeling the stretch on the back side of the leg, it does kind of help loosen our tailbone. Relax. Now for both the legs like this, keep hands on the knees. Right hand on the right knee, left hand on the left knee, and then make circles, small circles gently to massage the lower back. Let's do 5 times in the clockwise and then 5 times in the anti-clockwise. When you do this, please don't lift the lower back. Lower back remains there, remains touching the ground all the time. It might like lift very slightly, but not like too much. Let's do a couple of times in the opposite direction. Relax. See if you can hug both of these legs like this. And then rock your body towards left, right a little bit. From here we are going to transition to the happy baby pose. So let me show it this way. So lift both the legs and from inside hold the legs like this and gently massage the lower back by rocking from left to right, right to left. So when you are in this posture, with hands you are putting gentle pressure on the legs and legs are putting gentle pressure on the hands, so the stretch remains there in this posture all the time. Gently massage on both the sides. Relax. Next, for the lower back is like lifting the legs by the wall. So if you are not close to the wall and all, please watch this once and then go close to the wall and then try this like at least for a minute. So what we are going to do is, we are going to lift our legs and then keep them by the walls, but the full lower back is touching the ground, hips are lifted. So like go do it like this, right? Slowly. Please go by the wall, find the nearest wall, and then do it for like at least a minute. Or you could keep the legs like this to keep the lower back fully grounded. Keep it like this, and hands you can keep here. Let's do this for a minute. Like this. Okay. Come down slowly. You can fold one leg while coming down. You can fold one leg, fold another leg, and then twist to your right or left, and then come back up. Please sit down and then spread your legs. I hope everyone is with me. So we'll do the one last like yogic exercise for the back pain, and then we'll move on to breathing exercises. So spread both the legs. After that, fold the right leg. Right foot is kind of touching the left thigh. Exhale fully and bend. Both the hands are like either touching the left foot here or here, wherever your body takes, go there, and then try to bend completely. Feel lot of stretch on the left leg, and then spine is bent, kind of an arch in the spine. Hold here for a couple breaths. Relax. Let's repeat it on the other side. Left foot is touching the right thigh. Exhale here fully, and then come down. Relax. So those are the few yogic poses, exercises that we should do to relax our lower back. Now please sit down in the comfortable